In this video, we are going to start learning about basic computer network. We are going to start from the very basic, which is learning about what is computer network and the function of computer network. So, what is computer network? In the simple term, computer network is used to help us to share information between computers. For example, here I have a picture of computer network. Here we can see that we have a laptop, computer, printer, PlayStation, smartphone, and another computer. And we can see that all of these devices is connected to the router. Some devices connected to the router using cable, and some another devices connected to the router using Wi-Fi. After all of these devices connected to the router, now we have a computer network here. And all of these devices now can share information each others. So this is a computer network to help us share information between computers. Now let's talk more about how computer network can help us. In the past, before computer network exists, let's say we have a room, and in this room we have 6 computers. For example, all of these computers want to print in the same time. Before computer network exists, if we want to print, we need to have a printer connected to our computer. So, if we have 6 computers like this, we will need 6 printers that connected to each computer. We need a printer in computer 1, computer 2, computer 3, computer 4, computer 5, and also we need a printer in computer 6 like this. Now, let's imagine we just have 6 computers right now, and we need 6 printers that connected to each computer. How if we have 100 computers? So, we will need 100 printers, right? This is absolutely not cost effective. But now, with computer network, we don't need to buy a printer for each computers. We just need to have one printer that connected to computer network, and then all of computers can print with this printer using computer network. Doesn't matter if we have 10 computers, 50 computers, or even 100 computers. We just need to have one printer that connected to the computer network, and all of that computers can print using this one printer. So, this is one of the functions of computer network. Absolutely, this is help us so much, right? Another example of the function of computer network is to share data between computers. In the past, or actually now, we still use this method. You know about flash disk, right? We can use flash disk to share data from one computer to another computer. For example, we want to share data from the computer to the laptop. Before computer network exists, we need to connecting a flash disk to the computer. Then copy data from the computer to the flash disk. When this is done, we need to bring the flash disk to the laptop. And then now we can copy the data from the flash disk to the laptop. Now we have successfully shared the data from the computer to the laptop. But we have a problem here, which is we need to bring the flash disk from the computer to the laptop. Let's imagine that the computer is in the first floor in the building, and the laptop is in the 10th floor. So, we need to walk to bring this flash disk from the computer to the laptop. This is absolutely not efficient. But now, if we use computer network, we don't need to do that. We can share data between computer and laptop using computer network, as long as computer and laptop is connected to the same computer network. In this example, computer and laptop is connected to the same router. So absolutely, we can share data between this computer and laptop. So this is some example how computer network can help us. First, we can use computer network for sharing a printer, and also we can use computer network to sharing data. Besides these 2 examples, we usually use computer network to access the internet. For example, we can access facebook.com from the smartphone here. When we access facebook.com from the smartphone like this, we already use a computer network. Why? Because our smartphone is connected to the router using Wi-Fi. And the router is connected to ISP, or Internet Service Provider. And then the ISP is connected to the Internet. And absolutely we have a facebook.com that also connected to the Internet. When we access facebook.com from the smartphone, the packet will be forwarded to the router. From the router will be forwarded to the ESP. From the ESP will be forwarded to the Internet. And somehow the packet will be forwarded to the facebook.com. So, this is how we use computer network to access facebook.com from our smartphone. Not only facebook.com, when we access internet like YouTube, Twitter, or when you watch this video, you are using a computer network. Okay, I hope you now understand what is computer network and how computer network can help us. In the next video, we are going to learn about most simple computer network. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.